Hi everyone, and welcome to today's flow. So let's begin. Just gently closing the eyes. We'll take a few moments to reconnect with the body and the breath. Slowly opening through the eyes, coming to lay down onto the mat. Bending the left knee, placing the foot on the ground, reach the right leg up and we'll just pulse the leg in towards the chest. Taking hold of the leg, gently pull the leg in towards the body. Slowly release. We'll switch sides. And gently pulling the leg in towards the body. Slowly release, placing both hands down onto the mat, pressing the heels into the ground. We're going to move into bridge pose, lifting up through the hips. So you can stay here with the palms on the ground or reaching up onto the shoulders, interlocking the fingers. Hold it here for a few breaths. Gently breathe. Releasing through the arms, slowly roll the spine down onto the mat. We'll take a few breaths. And when you feel ready, slowly making your way into a tabletop position. We'll move through some cat-cow vinyasas, inhaling as the gaze moves up, and exhale as you round the back. Tucking the toes under, make your way into downward facing dog, paddling through the legs. And holding. Stepping the left foot forwards. We're going to come into a high lunge, interlocking the fingers, gently pressing the hands against the thigh, keeping the right leg active, feeding the muscles in the front of the right leg gently working. Shoulders stay relaxed and down. Dropping the right knee down towards the mat. So you can stay here or reaching up over the head, holding onto the elbows, gently pushing the body weight forwards. Slowly breathe. Releasing forwards. We'll move into a counter stretch, sending the hips back into half split, keeping the left knee slightly bent. Spine is nice and neutral. Take a few deep exhales. Bringing the body forwards, we'll move into a deeper quad stretch, reaching back with the right hand, gently pulling the right leg in towards the body, moving at your own pace. And feel free to hold on to anything just to help with balance. Gently release. Lifting the right leg up, send the left foot back into downward facing dog. Holding it here just for a few breaths. And then stepping the right foot forwards, coming into a high lunge, interlocking the fingers, pressing the hands against the thigh. Shoulders stay relaxed, keeping the back leg active. Releasing the left knee down towards the mat. Option to stay here or reaching back, holding onto the elbows. Gently breathe. Releasing forwards, moving into a counter stretch into half split. Spine is neutral. Gently reach forwards with the chest. Slowly coming forwards, and again moving into a deeper quad stretch, reaching back with the left hand, pulling the left foot in towards the chest. And it's very normal to have one side a little bit more open than the other. Just paying attention to any sensations in the body. Releasing the leg down, place the hands onto the mat, tuck the right knee in, or move into a tabletop position. From here, walking the hands forward into puppy pose. Feel free to take a deeper stretch by walking the hands forward. Slowly breathe. Gently lifting the body up, sweeping the feet round. Coming to lay down onto the mat, pulling the right knee in towards the chest. And then bringing the knee over towards the left side of the body. You can cactus the right arm. Gently breathe. Bringing the right knee in towards the chest, releasing it down. We'll do the same for the other side. Gently breathe. Bringing the left knee in towards the body, releasing it towards the mat. And moving into the final shavasana, allowing the eyes to close. Softening the breath. Softening through the entire body. finding some stillness for these few moments. And thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope to see you again soon.